Hey guys, welcome back to another video. There's a school bus. There's puppies. Hope you guys are doing okay. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. Well, yesterday I finished laundry and stuff. And yeah, well, anyway, I finished laundry yesterday. And, well, did that. And, well, we just hung out, me, Dad, Willie, and Micah. We hung out. And it was pretty good. Yeah. So, anyway, but I actually want to mention on this video that there is a train, and I mentioned it on the video about baby bats. The ghost train returns all the time now. And about the grass, right? The strange grass. Well, thing is, I have to tell you something cool. Well, regarding Thurmond. You're probably like Creeper on Slayer. Thurmond? Yeah, Thurmond. Only because in Thurmond, there's, well, that train station, and there's a train, right? Which is actually miles from here, which I mentioned in that video. Because I was talking about the ghost train and stuff like that. Well, my mom was telling me I would have to get up in the morning for this, and I'm okay with it. I'd have to go to bed a little bit early to do it, but early in the morning, there's actually a train ride that me, Mom, and Dad could do. I told Hannah about it. She said it's very cool. It looks very fancy inside in the train too, because I've seen pictures of it inside. And I feel like you'd have to like be there at 8 in the morning, like 8 a.m. Something like that. I could be wrong, because there's a small possibility I might be wrong. I guess you could do it at any time during the morning, but a good time, I think, would be like 8 a.m. Because I believe it's like a 4-hour train ride, right? So 4 hours back, that's 8 hours, right? So the reason why I mention it is because the train ride, this Thurmond train, stationed in Thurmond, goes from Thurmond, West Virginia, to Virginia, which is actually pretty cool because I want to do it. I wouldn't mind doing it. I think it'd be kind of cool. I've never been on a train before, so I think it'd be cool. So I was thinking of doing it, right? Going on the train, getting up at a certain time, and being there in the morning, right? At the train station. Sorry, it's a plane overhead. I see it, but I don't know if I can record it because it's too bright. If I angle up the camera, it'll aim towards the sun and it might be too bright and you guys can't see it anyway. But you can hear it though. Anyway. So, like I was saying, I've never been on a train before. So, it'd be pretty cool. I don't know if there'd be like a gift shop on the train or anything. or when we get to like wherever we are in Virginia where we're going, if there's like a gift shop, because wherever the train stations at Virginia, I don't know if there's a little gift shop in the train station or next to the train station. I don't know how that would work. But I do know, however, that it's going to be a lot of fun when I do it. I was telling Willie and Micah about it, and they sat there and was like, yeah, we all need to go sometime. I wouldn't mind taking Hannah with me too. That'd be kind of fun. So, anyway, back to what I was talking about the train. The train looks really cool. I don't know what type of train it is, but I know it's a cool looking train, that's all I know. And it looks like, does this make sense? It looks like a vintage / modern style train. Like inside it looks kind of vintage, but like on the outside it kind of looks vintage, but it looks modern. You know what I mean? That's what it looks like. So, anywho, that's what we were talking about last night. So, yeah. I really want to do it because, honestly, I think it would be a good idea. I just do, because I feel like it would be a really cool summer or spring activity to do. And it don't cost that much. I forgot the cost, but what I do remember is that it wasn't too expensive either. So, look it up. Thurmond, West Virginia train. And see what pops up, and look at the cost and the price. And see how much it is. And comment down below. So, yeah. But, it's pretty cool. And you go through a lot of tunnels according to it. And it makes sense because it's a train. This train goes through a lot of tunnels. And it's pretty cool. I'm looking forward to it whenever we do it. I'll probably have the window seat so I can look and see all the scenery when we're on the train going from Thurmond to Virginia. So, yeah, I think that'd be really good to do. But, yeah, no, I wouldn't mind doing that. I think it'd be fun. So, yeah, I think I might do that actually. Here pretty soon, hopefully this summer. I think it'd be the best time to do it is, in my opinion, I think the summertime. So, yeah, anyway, so that's what I wanted to talk about on this video today. I didn't make the video last night that I was planning to make about a certain something that involves an experiment that me and Dad are gonna do sometime. I'm not gonna say what it is because it would ruin the surprise for the video, but it is something cool, and people have done it before, and they look really pretty when you see the surprise. So I'm gonna make a video hopefully later. I'm not actually going anywhere today. I'm not going to work on any cars, or I'm not going to hang out with any people. I'm actually gonna go on this hike and then come back home and probably chill for a bit. And then I might go on another hike depending on how I feel. And then I will sit there and, yeah. Yeah, walk Sweetie and stuff. So, that is the plan for today. Not sure what I'm doing tomorrow, but that's what I am doing today. So, pretty good. But anyway, that's all I really got to say on this video. I'm just gonna hike and stuff like that. So yeah, but I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. My mom mentioned about the train the other day because she wanted to do it during the summer too, like me, and she convinced her dad about it, and he said that sounds really cool, we should actually do it. I know it will be in the morning, but he said it would be cool though. And if my nanny and papa wanted to come too and be on the train ride with us, or me and just nanny and papa and no mom and dad. But I figured they want to come too because it is a cool train ride. Get to see a bunch of scenery we probably haven't seen, because we've stopped at Virginia before, but we've never like properly visited the state of Virginia, you know what I mean? Like we've been there before, but like we've never properly visited it, you know what I mean? Like we never properly visited it. So, and I just thought, I was like, well, why don't we actually sit there and properly visit it and go on this train ride and visit Virginia for a little bit. And that's what we thought, and that's what Mom thought, and then Dad was convinced by it, and then that's what he thought. So, we're gonna go ahead and do it sometime. Willie really liked the idea of that. I was like, yeah. Because he's never been on a train either, I don't think. Neither is Micah, and I know sure as heck that Henna hasn't either. So, yeah. But it's going to be pretty cool. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I actually put out a video about an hour ago that is titled "What My Puppy Sweetie Means to Me, and She Has Changed My Life Forever." That's what the video is called. You know, or something similar around those lines. So, yeah. But, yeah, I can't wait. And you get food on the train, too. And a drink, you know, of your choosing. So, I'm really looking forward to this all together, because this dude on Facebook took a selfie of himself with the train and at the train station and being stationed in Virginia, and he took a picture of the food that he got on the train, and it looked like really good food too. So that's also another reason to probably get up in the morning and head out the door to go get that train food, bro. Like, for real. For real. But yeah, anyway, pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna keep walking now. Catch you guys later. Creep out.